What up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Like you guys can see, I'm on my way to a kart meet. It's not just a regular kart meet. It's Sheesh's 4th kart meet off the year. And man, let me tell you, there's gonna be some crazy cars. So stay tuned. If you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and help me hit 500 subscribers before this year ends. That's my biggest goal for this year, to get 500 subscribers plus, you know, whatever more we get. But so stay tuned, and I hope you guys like this video, and go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe button. Let's get it. Man, there's hella people already. Like a lot of people, a lot of cars, and there are people already revving too. But I gotta find the Sheesh crew, man. I'm gonna go this way. Let's get it. I'll go this way. But there's a lot of trucks, Hellcats, a lot of crazy ass cars. Man, holy shit. Where they at? Where they at though? Damn, look at this. Damn. The homie Ray saved me a spot. Alright, alright. Let's go. What up, man?
Hey, I fuck with your car, bro.
Thank you.
You went to Vegas not too long ago, didn't you?
I did. Man, this meat is fucking crazy. What do you gotta say about this meat, bro?
I'm gonna have to say, it's a very good meat. It's our 4th meet.
Right? That's what I said.
It's packed, bro.
It's packed. And the merch, look at this. Woo! Hit him up, hit him up. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here and just hit him up for the hoodie. Man, this is fucking nuts. And a lot of people are liking Baby Shark. I'm gonna turn my lights off though. But a lot of people are liking my rap. I still haven't even walked over to see all the cars yet. But man, just looking at it is crazy. Yo, look at these. I'm thinking on getting lights like this for my car for the under, but I don't know yet. But look at this. Man. Damn, a lot of people really put money into Hondas like that, bro. Shit. And I'm barely putting money in my car. These lights are fucking crazy. Man, the color, bro. What? Look at this wrap. Yo, so is this literally something different that you don't see every day? Like, holy shit, man. And this shit right here too. Damn. I'm in love with this wrap and the carbon hood. Yo, look at this. Bed's loud as shit too. It's just nice. Yo, you guys remember this car? Look at this. Gee, look at this.
Fire, bro.
Look at all these people though. Look at this truck, boys. I'm trying to go see that. Man, look at this. Oh my god, man, look at this shit. It's literally a race car. Damn. Look at this. Yeah. literally right when the camera pulled up, they shut it down. But I was telling Diego, man, this rat, I have no idea what it's called, but look at it. I'm still really surprised about whoever did this. Props, man. I give you big props on this one. It's just mean, bro. What up with the boy? Bro, the rims are crazy. I love them. Let me see the bags. Ooh, it's on the floor. Yo. Look at this. Boy. Holy shit. Man, this is fucking crazy. Woo. Savage. Man, look at this fucking GTR. Man, look at this whip. I was literally right behind this car. I didn't even notice it. Shit. It's just nice. Look at this Lexus, bro. God damn. What do you think, Diego? Shit. Look at this. Woo. Boy. A white M3. Soon though, coming to the channel soon. So go ahead and fucking subscribe, because like I'm telling you guys all the time, right, Diego? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It's not that hard. And look at this. You guys will not be disappointed with my content. It's fucking crazy. A lot of people, literally, we didn't even expect this cart meet to go down like this. You don't gotta ask me. Yeah, I won't pick up and I slap it out on my head. Alright guys, well I'm leaving the meet. There's Diego. But man, this cart meet was fucking crazy, guys.
A few moments later.
Alright, thank you. Appreciate it. Alright. But we just got to the spot, guys. Quick little update. We just got to the spot where we're gonna take some pictures. Man, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, you guys are missing on some crazy content. Stay tuned for more crazy content, because I'm gonna be all over the place. Stay tuned for Arizona. We're going to Arizona with California Creaming, the people that we went to Vegas with. So stay tuned for that. I'm thinking, go ahead and comment down below if you guys want to see my car in Arizona. I don't know if I have any Arizona people on my YouTube channel, but go ahead and smash that subscribe button and leave a comment if you guys want to see Baby Shark in Arizona. But stay tuned for this crazy ass journey of mine. And my goal for this year is to hit 500 subscribers. So if you guys haven't smashed the subscribe button, go ahead and help me out and smash the subscribe button, share my videos, share my YouTube page, and man, crazy giveaways are coming, so stay tuned. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do something big, so stay tuned, guys. But guys, our cart meet was fucking crazy, and stay tuned for the next one.